a sentence to summarize what this conference is about, maybe it's about applying internet technologies in an industrial setting. That's also a very general statement in manufacturing processes, in consumer products. We now have the internet, and now we want to apply it to the world as we know it, and that's the Internet of Things. It's a very big community. I think we have over 500 delegates here at this conference in Berlin. The discussions and conversations we had here at the booth, but also in the hallways, have been very interesting. All about more or less the same topics, and also about different topics, so different sectors. We talked to people from the energy sector, we talked to standardization organizations, and we also talked about standards themselves, and that standards are a very important piece of the puzzle that we need to come up with very soon. High-level delegates, we had very good, solid discussions that oftentimes you experience discussions at a conference like this one, just very shallow 2-minute discussions, and these discussions here, they usually last for about 20-25 minutes, and that's a very good sign. Getting a clearer picture where the actual gaps are in terms of standardization. Everybody keeps talking about standards and the lack of standards in this big space, and we are talking about potentially dozens of different standards that we need to make all of these different. And now we don't only have just computers that talk to each other, but actual devices, machines, cars, anything can potentially talk to anything. And this will require a large amount of standardized glue between all these objects, data formats, protocols. Semantics is a very important topic by now. So what do these actual attribute and value pairs actually mean, and how can we reference them? And this will be a topic that will be with us for hopefully not for the foreseeable future, but for the next couple of years. And I hope that we can finally try to clear the mist a little bit to see what's what in the standardization space. Tomorrow there are world cafes, 8 or 9 I think, world cafes. I know the format, but I've never experienced it myself, so I'm looking forward to experiencing this firsthand and to have interesting discussions to more or less randomly assigned topics that I have on my badge, and to get to know even more people tomorrow in these interactive sessions. Oh, that was excellent. We first talked to we.CONECT /you.CONECT about a year ago because of the Web of Things topic and what we do at DFKI with regard to smart factory systems and intelligent manufacturing. And we had many interesting discussions, and the team has been extremely supportive. We are also behind the scenes, only few people know this, behind the scenes down on the first floor. We are now conducting interviews with about 30 experts from the field that we've been able to handpick from the delegate list. Again, thanks to the team here for letting us have access to the list. And we now conduct a study for the German government with DFKI and some other German organizations in order to come up with a few recommendations how to make Industry 4.0, which is a global concept, or which is a German concept, how to make it a global success. And there are many different voices that we're hearing in the interview rooms downstairs, and that's also a very interesting thing that's happening, largely unknown to many of the people here. And thanks we.CONECT for this opportunity.